What we're going to do is we're going to work through our activity 3 in the workbook today using autofill functions. The first thing we're going to do is enter our data as required in the exercise. Once we have our data in here, we are going to use Excel to add content. The first thing we're going to do is identify how to autofill in a sequence. Microsoft Excel requires a recognized pattern in order for it to do this well. So you have to make sure that you're following through on a pattern as an example. If we wanted to copy our number 1 across multiple cells, as is required in our exercise, to the E column, we can simply drag the corner of our autofill handle across the page. If we wanted our Excel sheet to recognize a particular pattern, we can do that by inputting the data in the first 2 cells and then allowing Microsoft Excel to identify the pattern and follow through by dragging using the autofill handle. The autofill handle is located in the bottom right-hand corner of your cell, identified by the small solid box. Once you have your plus symbol, you can select and drag, or you can double click